Hello again everyone, welcome to another drone review. Now let me show you how it looks like. Let me open the box. So this is how the drone look like, and I believe there are more things in the box. Let me put the drone to a side and see what we have in the box here. I will open from the bottom of the box as well. Yeah, we have a controller. I'll take out the controller, and they have the menu to tell you how to manage it. And next, they have some spare blades, so if you break a blade you can have an extra one to replace. For this drone and the controller you need 6. You need 6 AA batteries. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you guys how the XT001A fly. This is a very cool model. This is a good model for beginner. You know that this has a blade protection, so if you hit something, this will not break the blades, and this can last for a long time. If you're a beginner, if you're new to drones, try this one out. Let me show you guys how to activate the drone and how to fly it. And this is the control. You can take a look at the control as well. Now I will attach the stick to the control, and I will show you how to activate the drone as well. Now let's turn on the control. After playing with this drone for a while, I think it is a very good model for beginners. Even though this drone doesn't have many features like expensive drones, you know, it has a blade protection, so it's perfect for beginners who don't know how to control the drone properly. Okay guys, now I will test it out. I'll let it hit the wall and see how long this drone can last. Just turn it on and hit the wall. So drone hold the wall. Drone versus war, second round. So this is my review. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you think this video helpful to you, why not add another like to the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.